Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in cooperative online banking account. Before we begin with our tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. To log into cooperative online banking account, you need to first open any web browser. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top, then type in www.co-operativebank.co.uk. Then press on enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of Cooperative Bank. Now to log into your cooperative online banking account, you can see login option at top. Click on login option at top. With this, on the left side, you can see the login area. So, click on username box, then enter the correct username of your banking account. With this, if you want your username to be remembered, click on remember my username box. Now, if you do not remember your login details, then you can click on forgotten your login details option. After you do so, click on next. Then, here you need to enter the password of your account. So click on the password box. Then enter the correct password of your online banking account. With this, now here you need to enter your security code. Click on the first box and enter the first digit of your security code, and click on the second box and enter the second digit of your security code. With this, click on continue option. After you do so, you'll be able to log into your cooperative online banking account. This is how we can log in cooperative online banking account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.